Commuters in the North Bay, the Golden Gate Ferry's new Tiburon-San Francisco service is up and running. We brought it to you live as the first ferry left just about 30 minutes ago.
Today in the Bay's Pete Serratos joining us live from the Tiburon Ferry Terminal this morning to show us how the new ferry line works. And Pete, for the first time in 40 years now, an expansion.
Yeah, good morning to you, Sam and Chris. Yes, the first time in 4 decades that the Golden Gate Ferry has expanded its services here to Marin County. And as you guys mentioned, we brought you a live look of what that ferry looked like when it was departing here from Tiburon to San Francisco. In case you missed it, let's go ahead and cue up that video. The first time in 4 decades, guys, that Golden Gate Ferry service is expanding Golden Gate Ferry service is expanding into Marin County. And those discussions regarding the expansion began in 2015 between Blue and Gold Feet and the Golden Gate Ferry as far as taking over the commute runs between Tiburon and San Francisco from the Fleet Company. And just 2 weeks ago, the Golden Gate Bridge Board of Directors approved a sublease agreement to take over the line. Now, these ferries play a huge role in reducing traffic congestion on the Golden Gate Bridge and Highway 101, up to 25% in some cases. And we had a chance to speak to one passenger who was about to board the ferry, and he says he's happy to see the services in Marin County.
It's a wonderful way to get to work, and it definitely helps the commute for other people who have to drive in. We don't. It's wonderful. We get to do this on the water every day, and thankfully Golden Gate saw the opportunity to service this way, and we're thankful for it.
There's a good amount of folks hopping on that 5:30 a.m. ferry, and we know there's going to be 8 trips per day from Tiburon to San Francisco starting today. That will be Monday through Friday. The first departure from Tiburon will be at 5:30 a.m. like we just showed you. And Blue and Gold tickets will still be accepted for now, but the ferry plans to bring the Clipper fare system as well. We're live in Tiburon. Pete Serratos for Today in the Bay.